Hey there, nursing students. If you're considering a career in nursing, you've come to the right place. All of the terminology can be confusing for different nursing titles. So today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the nursing profession, different types of nurses, and what it takes to start your nursing journey. But before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description below to get a full recap of this video. All right, so let's get started. Why choose nursing? Well, nursing is a rewarding career that allows you to make a real difference in people's lives. Plus, with an aging population and many nurses retiring, the demand for skilled nurses is higher than ever. There's a huge shortage of nurses since COVID, and many locations are understaffed and patients are not always properly attended to due to this national crisis. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the main categories of nurses. First, we have certified nursing assistants, those CNAs, which are essential to the profession. Their education is typically a 4 to 8 week program with a median salary of about $30,000 per year. That's about $14 per hour. Now, CNAs are covering basic patient care, such as taking vital signs, feeding, cleaning, and even changing patients. Next, we have licensed practical or vocational nurses, those LPNs or LVNs. The education for these nurses typically takes about 1 year, with a median salary of about $48,000 per year. Their duties include medication administration, wound care, and IV fluids. And lastly, are RNs, those registered nurses. The education for this role requires either an associate's or bachelor's degree. The median salary is around $75,000 per year, and the duties of RNs are more extensive, as they are more autonomous than LPNs and LVNs. They handle patient assessments, treatment administration, and patient education, as well as medication administration, wound care, and IV fluids, among other responsibilities, depending on the unit they're a part of. Next, we have our mid-level provider role. We're talking about nurse practitioners, those NPs. This position requires a master's degree with a concentration in one specific area. For example, pediatrics, family medicine, or even psychiatric for mental health. The median salary for NPs is about $117,000 per year. Because NPs have autonomy to diagnose and treat their own patients, often without necessary authority of a physician. So NPs are helping more people receive healthcare treatment as there's a major shortage of physicians. NPs also diagnose conditions, prescribe medications, and develop treatment plans. Now, beyond these core categories, there are many exciting specialties to choose from. For example, emergency room nurses, like I was, psychiatric nurse, pediatric nurse, oncology nurse that handles cancer patients, and even travel nursing, as well as much more. Each specialty requires additional training and certifications. So, to become a nurse, you'll need to complete an accredited nursing program, pass the NCLEX, obtain your state licensure, and for advanced roles like nurse practitioner, you'll need additional education and certifications. Remember, the nursing field is growing fast. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 9% growth for RNs and a whopping 45% growth for nurse practitioners from 2020 to 2030. These are the states that have the highest demand for nurses. Well, number 1 is South Carolina, followed by Nevada, California, Texas, and Georgia. Now, here are some top-paying nursing roles. These are all nurse practitioner positions. First is cardiac nurse practitioner, making a whopping $147,000 per year. Next is orthopedic nurse practitioner, making $114,000 per year, followed by psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner, right around $109,000 per year. So as you can see, nursing offers diverse opportunities for growth, competitive salaries, and a chance to make a real impact. Whether you're drawn to bedside care, specialized treatment, or even advanced practice roles, there's a place for you in nursing. So make sure you check out our blog here to view a condensed version of this topic. And I hope this video has helped you to take your next step in a rewarding nursing career. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Did you know you can unlock beautifully handcrafted study guides? packed with key points and memory tricks from all our videos. Plus, you'll get access to over 1,200 exclusive videos not on YouTube, all neatly organized by nursing school topic, to make that complex nursing knowledge actually stick. You'll also gain thousands of practice questions written by current professors and actual NCLEX writers. So for access to all this and more, click right up here or visit SimpleNursing.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy studying, and we'll see you in the next videos.